So here's what you're going to need for the chicken satay stir fry. First of all, obviously you need some diced chicken. I use these udon thick noodles, they're my favourite. So we need some chicken stock. We got some soy sauce, sea salt, peanut butter obviously for the sauce, that's the base of the sauce, a squeeze of lime juice and lots of veggies. So you want to begin by adding a tablespoon of coconut oil to a large wok, and then you're going to put the heat to a medium heat and let the coconut melt a little bit before adding your chicken. While the chicken is cooking away, you're going to boil the kettle, and this is going to be a little bit of water to add to your satay sauce. So in the meantime, have this boiling. Once the chicken is beginning to look a little bit brown, you're going to add in all of your vegetables. This is one of my favourite meals, not just because I absolutely love peanut butter, but because of the amount of vegetables you can add to this meal. It's a great way of getting your veggies in and bulking up your meal. So next up we're going to make the sauce. So for the sauce we need that hot water that we boiled in the kettle, and we're going to need a stock cube. You can use either chicken or a vegetable stock cube. So add the boiling water, about maybe 100 to 200 ml to the stock cube, and then you're going to grab a fork and you're going to whisk the stock cube until it's dissolved in the water. Next step is adding the peanut butter real gracefully like I did. So yeah, the peanut butter might get stuck to the spoon and splash all over your kitchen. But not to worry, as long as it makes it into the bowl, that's all that matters. So we're going to add in the full 80 grams of peanut butter for the sauce, and then we're going to start mixing that again. Just make sure when you're whisking the stock and the peanut butter together, you whisk them really quickly, because sometimes the peanut butter can split and then you'll see like little white dots in the mix, and you don't want that. So whisk it really quickly. Next ingredient to go into the sauce is the soy sauce. I use low salt soy sauce just because I can, so I might as well choose that one. And also we're going to add in a little squeeze of lime juice. So this is how your satay sauce should look like when it is done. If you would prefer a thicker satay sauce, you can add extra peanut butter, but I prefer to stick to the 80 grams just to keep it a bit lower calorie. And then you're going to drizzle your satay sauce all over your chicken and your veggies. And then the very last step is just to add in your noodles. If you buy the ready to add noodles like I did, then you can just throw them straight into the wok as they are. You obviously don't need to cook them because they're already cooked, so it's a pretty handy option. Before you properly stir in the noodles, it might look like there's not enough sauce in there, but just keep stirring, and at the very end it'll be really saucy. so much for watching this video. I know I'm absolutely obsessed with this meal. Like, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I make it all the time. So please let me know if you try this, and please give my video a like and comment below if you have any more ideas on what you would like to see on my channel.